Going to move on to our activity today. So I have a question for you. Has Mrs. P joined again? Oh, they've been back. Okay. So I will have you're able to create a new room. Okay. I will have you send Mac with her. Mac, you should be seeing something on your screen. You're going to work with Mrs. P for a little bit. Okay? Okay, so the question of the day today, friends, do you have a pet? So the answer is yes or no, and we're going to look and see what we can figure out. Logan, do you have a pet?
I used to have two, but they both died.
Okay, so do you currently have a pet?
No.
No, okay. I know that Mac's not with us anymore. Is he, Miss Erin? Mac, you should be joining your breakout room. Okay, I do know that Mac has a dog, so we'll put yes for him. Jackson, are you with us? Okay, Jackson, do you have a pet?
Huh?
Do you have a pet? Yes or no? He's frozen. All right, we'll come back to Jackson. King is not with us. Edwin, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet, Edwin? No. Okay, Edwin does not have a pet. Brian, I know the answer. Do you have a pet? Okay, he does. Okay, Wyatt, do you have a pet?
Yes.
Yes.
Name's Thanos.
Mia, do you have a pet?
Not a pet, Miss Doss.
You have a pet?
No.
No, you do not have a pet. Okay, thank you, Mia. Aria, what about you? Do you have a pet?
I have a pet.
Aria, do you have a pet?
Yeah, I have two.
What do you have, Aria?
One's called Puckle and one's called Turks.
Are they dogs?
No, they're cats.
Oh, they're cats. Okay, very nice. Lyra, do you have a pet?
Yeah, I have two too. I have two. I have a doggy and a cat. My
Awesome.
cat is named Jazz and my dog is named Ollie.
Okay. Rylan, do you have a pet?
Yes, her name is River. She's a red and white setter.
Okay, thanks, Rylan. Finley, what is your answer?
Me and Logan are twins, and those are the only pets that we had, so no.
Okay, thank you, Finley. Nadia, do you have a pet?
No.
Nora.
I do have a cat, but she's at my Grammy and Papa's.
Okay. Zipporah.
I do have pets. One of the name is Tyrone, one of the name is Chico, and Ted is he named it Ted, the chipmunk, and the other one, his has a friend named Alvin. That's their name.
You have chipmunks? Zipporah, you have chipmunks?
Yes, and also have squirrels too. We only feed them nuts.
Are they living, Zipporah?
They only come to our backyard.
Oh, they come to your backyard. Okay, I was going to say, I think I would remember if MJ told me that he had a pet chipmunk and a pet squirrel. All right, thanks, Zipporah. We'll count it if they're living in your backyard and you've named them. Okay, Miss Erin, do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
Mara, I know the answer, but share with us. Do you have a pet?
Wait.
Okay, we'll move on to Amaria. Amaria, do you have a pet? Amaria, do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet.
Okay. Mara, you can go ahead now.
I used to have 3, but 2 died, so Raven's only 1.
Okay.
But she has fleas.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Penelope,
But I think they're going to be out soon because Mommy got medicine from the doctor.
Very good. Okay. Penelope, do you have a pet? Oh, Penelope, remember how important it is to be in our seat during the lesson. Rochelle, do you have a pet?
No.
Level 3, a snow day in the
Rochelle,
city.
yes or no? No? Okay, let's use our words, please, Rochelle. Yes or no?
Oh.
Thank you. Is that Lexia that I hear in the background, Rochelle? Turn down the volume, please. Remember, let's save that till our small group time. Penelope, let's come back to you. Remember the very important thing that you need to do before you talk. Okay, while Penelope's figuring that out, I have a pet. I have 3 pets, so I need to move my name over down to yes. Penelope, are you there?
Can you tell us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is your answer? Yes or no? Do you have a pet?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, everybody, let's count up to see how many yeses we have. We have 2 friends that were not with us, so we don't know their answers, but we do know the answers of the people that are here today. So let's count up. I'm going to start counting, going down to help keep track of what I have counted so I don't get confused. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, 13 people. When I write the number 13, I have a 1 and a 3. Okay, let's count how many friends do not have pets, and I'm going to go down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we know how to write the number 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, high to low, it's number 7. So, which one has the most? People that have pets or people that do not have pets? which one has the most or is greatest?
Rylan.
The one that everyone that does have pets.
Everybody that does have pets, you're right. 13 is greater than 7. So we know that the least amount would be the people that do not have pets. Looking at counting, friends, I have some counters, and I have a little question to ask you with these counters. So if you look, I have some counters that are blue and some counters that are yellow. Will it matter if I start counting with the blue ones first and then move on to my yellows? Will that change how many I actually have? Will that change how many I have in all? Okay, it won't, right? Let's double check and make sure that's true. Okay, so let's say I wanted to count all of my blues first. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I want to move on to my yellows. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 here. I first started off by counting my blue, and then I moved on to my yellow. What if I just wanted to move them in a random order with my colors? Will that change how many I have? Let's double check. Okay, so I'm moving it and keeping track of how many I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the order in which I'm counting doesn't change how many there are. So I can count, and you can count, by starting with whichever object you want. But it's very important that you keep track and you move and touch each object that you have counted so that you're not getting confused. Friends, I'm really excited to share one thing with you because I want to make sure that you're aware of it so that I can have as many different options as I possibly can. I'm in need of your help for an activity that we are going to do as a whole class next Monday. On Canvas, and let me try and pull this up for you, I have made an assignment for you, just like you do in the afternoons with other things, but this one doesn't go with a lesson. That's why I wanted to bring it to your attention. All right, little Canvas. Okay, so you get to make a collection of something. And I hope my picture pulls up. Here it is. Okay, so the assignment says, Mrs. Doss needs your help. Please create a collection of items. Either you could have 2 items or as many items up to 12. We can't have any more than 12 objects. And then you need to take a picture and upload it onto Canvas. And I will use these pictures for our activity. So here's my example. I used markers and I put them out and I took a picture, and then I'm going to collect everybody's pictures and then we'll use it next week. So make sure that you work on that sometime between today and Friday so I can use it for our lesson on Monday. All right, friends? Don't forget about that. All right, friends. So we are going to move on to small group time.